I promise that Akosua will be right here with the entertainment stories. And I also promise that Big Akosua will be here. We did not take a crabby. But for now, Akosua Takyiwaa.
Girlie.
Hey.
Girlie, you're sexy.
Yes,
and then be a lawyer. And
coming back. Don't baby say but you want to interview can be park.
Barrister Akosua Takyiwaa.
Okay, say the prophetess not to baby. Me say Rabba we didn't chi me menya money.
Titles no those.
Nti say no barrister and I said no prophetess one. Prophetess barrister. Akosua Takyiwaa. Girl be a hot. Girl be a sexy. Na same way.
You are blessed.
I mean,
you're blessed.
Yo, Marty. So what's up?
Oh, me bedanka. And then me the canon now. Me bedanka. Me ni abre.
Obedanka.
Me danka.
Mama minja mawe.
Nti jaw mama na me dang me ka wacha say. Basho video me jeswa your prophetess barrister Akosua Takyiwaa. Girl me, I had girl me, I sexy who's a bit not say that nene. And some chegu and entertainment world and no and that me the best so Basho me follow ye and we socials. Your website here max.com.gh and our face so YouTube your Max TV Ghana, Twitter Max TV Ghana and Instagram and Max TV GH online. Now we follow her. Basho me a personal handle I am ho cause I had a time in name so mesa I am twice so it was social media hono me handle our Instagram at Akosua Takyiwaa ba Akosua mbebo emienu obeho me peche se me da like that na se da be kai me de ka ene na me bedan ka meni abriye papa den asema what is a Boomplay for officer ewo Ghana has here on be closing and what say ebi say audio mark ebi say Boomplay so Boomplay because cast audio mark no Boomplay officer what Ghana has said on be closing nyame ya duma ochina ye unya official statement from them here. But so let's play it by saying it's alleged. Na Celestine Donkor ne manager kum ni kunu your friend Kofi Donkor and the about to was a Boomplay your patrol baby. Pay us our royalties before you close down the office, before you close down the Ghana office on Friday. Yes, I'm baby a Boomplay fwe. Sam pam pass be close me office there. Nanny Kofi Donkor. Oya Celestine Donkor kuno also managing the yiri chema. Ne royalties in fact, because Boomplay is one of the biggest digital platforms. So we see Obinyoma Obeko. Since we go and listen, royalties be to Boomplay pay us our money before you close down your office. Before you close down your office, I will say, hey, some magic can cry. Celestine Donkor. I don't know I'm not fresh. You miss and you papa to Nisika. I will Boomplay when yes, Kaketwa. Yes, Kaketwa is I be one be ye. And no name my mammy team. So we pass your Boomplay for movie team. Mumba what they say. Modesikana ebema ni manager. Picture say Chebu yes Celestine Donkor. E be on the papa e be so ni nukunu omo twisoloku di emu high. Now me bisa say so what is happening to the other musicians now? And I'm the one see say Boomplay be close your office no. Shatawale won't say. Stoneboy won't say. Or him a mess mo medan mu ka o na man nine can no mu close ya me nya ho medan ka ni biem ni pod ne de aba no e na me de aba besomo ya me ya do much that with entertainment full story everyone na me the bigger quiz in concern because Matia say be e wa internet this I got to talk about it Matia say it's here that I be do ABC without so we je me etie me di you hi
Akosua Takyiwaa.
Girl
You